To access our databases off campus, go to the library's webpage at sites.rhodes.edu/Barret. Select the tab for databases. You can type in the name of the database you'd like to use, or you can select all databases to see the alphabetical list of our resources. You may also search for databases by subject, type, and vendor. To access a database, click on the title. You will be prompted to log in with your Rhodes username and password. Once you select Login, you will be taken directly to the database. If you need research assistance or encounter any technical difficulties, please contact the help desk at help.rhodes.edu. You may also email help@rhodes.edu. We are here to support you.